Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Angular setup, how to do that setup, and we will explain that. First, we need to go to Angular setup. Let's setup. First of all, what is Angular? Angular is a JavaScript framework. We can use for build the web applications. Web application for front end. And this Angular it will support ECMAScript 6 and 5, and TypeScript also it will supporting. Regarding Angular setup, we need uh, 3 steps. We can follow that for the Angular setup. First one is we can install the nodejs first. How you can install nodejs, I will explain that. First of all, go to the nodejs website, official website. Here you can go here and download which is a Windows installer. I have already installed, that's why I am not installing right now. After installing this software, you can go to the command prompt. Here you can type node space -v. It will showing for the version of the node.js. This is the first step we are done, and I'll go to the second step. We can install first VS Code. Same like how we are did in node.js, like that we can go to Google. VS Code, can type here, you will get one file. Go to here, click on the Windows. Actually I have done already, that's why I am not installing this again. Once done, you can check here Visual Studio Code. Is it available in the startup menu? You can check either it is there or not there. If it is not there, it will not install successfully. Next, third point is install the Angular. Actually, you can run the command. The command is actually npm install angular-cli. Here CLI means it is a command line interface. npm install angular-cli. This angular-cli, it will create the all the required packages actually. We can go to the command prompt, run anywhere in the command prompt. Just type here npm. npm means node package manager. npm install angular-cli. -g means here globally it will installing the C drive. Okay, when you are entering here, it will automatically install in the global level. Okay, once done this one, I have already done this step actually. That's why I'm not running this command. Once done this setup, you can check either it is installed or not. You can run this command. It will showing that the Angular setup is done or not. ng hyphen version. It will showing what version of the Angular you are installed currently in your system. Actually, it will take time. Yes. Here Angular CLI 10.1.0 it is installed nodejs 12.4 and this is the required package automatically installed for that CLI. Okay. This is the Angular setup actually we have done. Angular setup process. And before you are learning in this Angular, you need to uh, minimum knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You have to get the knowledge of these domains actually because it is all related to the Angular. We can use advanced level. That's why we can understand what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, guys, this is the part 1 video. Next video will launch next week. Thank you.